Hi, guys. You're now watching another episode of A Piece of Leak Incorporated, and I am super excited to have you here. You are the missing puzzle piece that we were waiting on. So let's get started. So, in today's video, I want it to be very quick, easy, straight to the point. I am known to yap. I fear. So, I'm just going to stick to what I need to say and get on up out of here. I don't want to waste your time. A lot of people have asked me to teach them how to crochet. So I think it would be best if I go ahead and cover all of the basics right here on my YouTube channel. This is going to be a playlist that I make strictly for you, anybody who wants to learn. I'm going to teach you the basics. So we're going to learn all the things that you need to know to be able to get some projects going. Okay. This is a very budget friendly hobby. If it wasn't, she wouldn't be doing it. Okay. So you don't need a whole lot of money to get started. You probably need $20, if that. Okay, you get you a hook or two, a ball of yarn or a skein of yarn. Um, if you probably already have a pair of scissors lying around, and maybe measuring tape if you're making something that you're going to wear and you need to measure something, or maybe for a hat or something. But even then, you really don't. You could just try it on as you go and keep it pushing. What I need to do here is I just want to give you an introduction of what you can expect. We are going to learn all things crochet. So that is your slip knots, your magic rings, multiple ways to do both. Okay, because I know not every way works for everyone. I am also a left-handed crocheter. That is very important to know. So when you're looking at my videos, it might look a little wonky, okay, if you're not a lefty. But all the videos that I watch look a little wonky, and I just had to learn the opposite. And honestly, I did get a little discouraged. I did get discouraged in the beginning, but I'm glad that I stuck with it because now we're officially 5 months down the line and I'm making things that I never would have even imagined. So I am happy to inspire. I'm happy to teach. I'm happy to share all the things that I've learned during this time in hopes that you get inspired. You want to make something, you see something, you feel led to just try and duplicate it and make it your own. That's what we're here to do. I have a few books that actually go into detail about a lot of different stitches that probably a lot of people don't even know how to do. I invested in this tremendously, I fear. So I definitely do plan to get into that, do tutorials for each of those. There will be short form content, so then that way you can just go to the playlist, go to exactly what you're looking for, find what you need, and get on out of there. Okay. I also want to include for you guys projects that you can do with all of these stitches. So you will have homework sometimes. You will. If you watch the videos, you see the techniques, if you feel like there's something that you want me to show you how to do, I'm more than happy to do so. I will plan on making my own things, releasing my own patterns in the future. I just have to get into that mode. I'm still learning myself. I just want you to come here, get what you need, and then go on about your business. Okay. So we're going to have the short form content. I'm going to release projects that you can do with those stitches. I want to see your work. Connect with me. I want to see what you're doing. I want to see what you're working on. What are you struggling with? What do you find to be very easy? What comes very natural to you? You know, all the things I want to know. I would love to hear from you. Just so I can know where you came from. Probably incorporate maybe a green puzzle piece, a green heart, or even that salute emoji. When you put that salute emoji on something, I'm gonna know exactly where you're coming from. I'm gonna know exactly where you're coming from. They're my favorite emojis. Okay. So if you put that on anything, I'm gonna be looking at it and I'm gonna make sure that I respond to you as soon as I can. If you have any questions, comment down below. You know, you can also see my business email. I'll respond to emails very promptly. I do get alerts for those. Direct message me if you need it kind of quickly. She does still work a 9 to 5. So, you know, I'm going to get to it when I can, sister. But I will get to it nonetheless. So, yeah, I think that covers everything. So, I just wanted to make an introduction video so that you know what to expect of me, what you can expect with this playlist, with this couple of videos that I'm going to be releasing just to help you out to get you started. I think I've covered everything for now. You know, I will be back later to yap some more. But for now, okay, this is where we are. If you're like me and you want to go ahead and get a full kit and you want to get all the tools and everything before you really get started, I understand. I have a video on my page. I'll make sure to go ahead and link that in the description below that you can just watch. It is an Amazon kit that I got. I think it was a crochet kit for beginners, but I think specifically for left-handed crocheters. I know they have a right-handed kit as well, so just check because I know that they have something for you. That's just if you want to get the whole bundle delivered right to your house so you can get started with everything you need. Is that all? I think that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for your time today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everything, everybody that's here. I appreciate you for just making it to the end of the video. If you have made it to the end of the video, please make sure that you do like this video. Please make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss another one. Turn those notification bells on. Connect with me on my socials. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Instagram now, and I just made a Facebook. I'm trying to push the content out there as well so that everything kind of flows, cohesively. But your girl still, like I said, she works a 9 to 5. Okay. So she's working on her time off, but I'm working. I just got off of work and I'm still working. Okay. Because I want this to get out for you guys. I want you guys to be able to learn. And I'm excited. I'm excited to see where this may go. So thank you so much again for your time. Thank you so much for watching. And I can't wait to see you in another one. Bye bye.